So today I'm working on my 2004 Ford Explorer and I'm doing a rear wheel bearing on the driver's side. These bearings are pressed into the knuckle and they're a major pain in the butt. So I tried a slide hammer to get the wheel hub out of the bearing, but it just destroyed the bearings and it did not pull the hub out at all. So that's what made me pull the whole knuckle off and bring it out back here to whack it out. I've got another video that shows how to actually get the knuckle off, so you can check that out. But I wanted to show you what I did in my backyard with no press, no special tools or anything to get the old one off. But come on in and I'll show you what we did. So to press the hub out of the bearing, had this in and had the knuckle, oops, it was this way, had the knuckle like this. It was barely supported by these. This is a 32 millimeter socket and it fit inside the bearing just perfectly. And so I had it set on there and I took my 3-pound sledge and I gave it a whack just to see if it would work, and it started to move. So I just kept doing that until it came out and took just a few whacks and I was able to get the hub assembly off. It did take the, I forget what you call that ring, with it, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that off or just buy a new one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. And anyway, so that's how you get that off. And then the bearing was still in there, which I tore to pieces, getting out as you can see. So you have to press this out from the exterior side because there's a lip. There's a lip right here. I don't know if you can see that. So you can't press it this way. You have to push it in towards the inside of the vehicle. So again, using some bricks, I propped it up, and I have this one in here. And that was in there, and then I took this, which is a 39 millimeter impact socket, and I was able to put it on there. It's just the right size. It's a little small. I wish I would have had a 40 or maybe even a 41 millimeter, but I was like, this is what I got. And so did that, boom, couple whacks on it, and sure enough, it started to move. And so I just kept going, and then it came out the bottom. So this is how I got the bearings out of the Ford Explorer, 04 Ford Explorer rear knuckle. I hope this is helpful for you because I don't have any special tools and I'm pretty sure the average guy doesn't. So hopefully this process will work for you. If you've got some old bricks or some blocks of wood or something, you can get it out. It's a pain in the butt, it's some hard work, but you can do it. So the trick for me now is to get the new one back in with the reverse process. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, have a great day.